Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. In this session, we are going to learn how to write IUPAC names. The first one is give IUPAC names of the following. The first question is like this. The carbon skeleton is like this. In this skeleton, we are numbered as C double bond O. The first rule is long chain rule. So, C double bond O, the first carbon is 1. The numbered as right to left. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this long chain containing 4 carbon atoms, so the root word is but. The second carbon atom carry methyl, carry C2H5, so 2-ethyl and C double bond O, OCH3. So the functional group is O8 ester. So functional group is O8, so the primary suffix is O8. The IUPAC name is 2-ethyl butanoate. This is the IUPAC name of this skeleton. And the second skeleton is like this. See here, CH3, CH double bond, CH, C double bond O and OH. In this functional group is COOH, acid group. So the primary suffix is oic acid, and also it contains double bond ene. The long chain is started from C double bond O. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In this second carbon having double bond, so the long chain is 4 carbons, the root word is but, and the second carbon double bond is there, so 2 ene and oic acid. And the next skeleton is like this. CH3, CH, CH3 and CH, CH3, CH2 and H2. In this skeleton having like this, two substituents are there, one functional group NH2 is there. NH2, the primary suffix is amine, and all are having single bonds, so ane, butane, and the number has 1, 2, 3, 4. The long chain carry 4 carbons, so the root word is but. And next substituents, the primary prefix plus root word plus and suffix. So in this prefix carrying substituents, second carbon and third carbon same substituents. So 2, 3, the di 2, 3 dimethyl butane amine. And the next skeleton is like this. CH3, CH, C6H5 and CH2OH. The skeleton is like this. So functional group is OH is there. Alcohol group, alcohol, the primary prefix is ol. The long chain started, functional group beside the carbon CH2, CH, CH3, 1, 2, 3. The second carbon carrying phenyl group, C6H5 is called as phenyl group. So the primary prefix is 2-phenyl. The root word is 3 carbons, so prop, ane and 1 vol. 2-phenyl propane 1 vol is the IUPAC name of this compound skeleton. And the next skeleton is CH3, C double bond O, CH, C2H5, CH, CH3 and CH3. In this functional group, methoxy one group is there, keto group is there. C double bond O is the functional group, ketone group. So the number is like this: CH3 1, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. The long chain carrying 5 carbons, so the root word is pent. In the primary prefix, the substituents are methyl and ethyl. So in this alphabetical order, 3 ethyl, 4 methyl, pentane. In the second carbon carrying functional group ketone, the ketone functional group O, so the primary suffix is 2-1. 3 ethyl, 4 methyl, pentane, 2-1. This is the IUPAC name of this skeleton. And the next skeleton is like this. See here, CH3, CHOH and COOH. In this carbon, acid group is present and alcohol group is present. So in this we are preferred as acid group. The first carbon is 1, 2, 3. The numbering is like this. In the second carbon carrying hydroxy group is there. So 2 hydroxy, 3 carbons are present, root word is propo, and COOH functional group is there, oic acid. 2 hydroxy propanoic acid. And the next skeleton is like this. See here, it having 2 functional groups are there, CN and COOH. CN called as cyano and COOH called as oic acid. So the numbering is first like this: 1, 2, 3. So the third carbon carry cyano group, the cyano substituents, 3 cyano and 3 carbons are present, root word is 3. So root word is propanoic and COOH group, so oic acid, 3 cyano propanoic acid. And the next skeleton is like this: CH3C, COO, C2H5, double bond, CH, CH2, C double bond O and OH. In this, the numbering is like this: COH, the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the third carbon, ene group is there, double bond is there. So 3 ene and COOH, oic acid. And this carbon chain, long chain carrying 5 carbons, so root word is pent. And primary prefix is OH. The substituent is carboxy, carb ethoxy, C2H5 ether, oxy, COO, C2H5, carb ethoxy. The substituent is present in 4th carbon, so 4 carb ethoxy, pent, 5 carbons are present, root word is pent, and 3 ene, double bond, 3 third carbon, 3 enic acid, 4 carb ethoxy, pent, 3 enoic acid. And the next skeleton is like this: CH3, CH, CH3, CHOH and CHOH and CHO. In this, CHO is a functional group, so CHO is the aldehyde, so the primary suffix is al. So the numbering is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the long chain carrying 5 carbons, so the root word is pent. And primary prefix is 4 functional groups, so 4, 3 or 2, 3, the 2, 3 dihydroxy and 4 methyl pentanol. This is the IUPAC name of this skeleton. And the next skeleton is like this. The numbering is like this: CCl3, CH, diphenyl groups are present, so we have to, for convenience, CCl3 substituted CCl, Cl, Cl. So the carbon is the 1, 2 carbons, so the root word is eth. The substituents are chlorines and phenyl groups, so 1, 1, 1, 3, 3 chlorines, so 1 comma 1 comma 1 trichloro and 2 comma 2 diphenyl ethane. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. And the next skeleton is like this: phenyl group O, C double bond O and CH3 CH3. The structures, the skeleton is like this. So we following this number order, long chain 1 2 3. So the 3 carbons long chain, so the root word is prop, and it is the C double bond O. This is the O8 group is there. So phenyl 2 methyl propane 1 O8. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. And the next skeleton is like this. So the numbering is like 1 2 3 4th carbon. In this third carbon carry methyl group and the second carbon carry ethynyl group 1 2. Substituents. So 2 ethynyl 3 methyl. This is the alphabetical order. Dieth is first, then meth. So 2 ethynyl 3 methyl cyclohexa. The double bonds are present in 1 and third. So 1 comma 3 diene. This is the IUPAC name of this compound: 2 ethynyl 3 methyl cyclohexa 1 3 diene. And the next skeleton is like this. So we are numbering is like this: 1 2 3. The second carbon carrying substituted substituents. So the numbering is like this: 1 2 3 4 for the substituted carbon skeleton substituent. So the substituted substituent having the IUPAC name is 4-chlorophenyl. 4-chlorophenyl, because the fourth position chlorine is present and the functional group is phenyl. 4-chlorophenyl. This substituent is attached to second carbon. So 2-4-chlorophenyl. And the chain, long chain carrying 3 carbons, so prop and propane. Acid group is present, so that's why weak acid. 2 comma 2 of 4-chlorophenyl propane 1 weak acid. These are the IUPAC names. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and share your friends.